good morning. What do you do? Yes? Yeah, good. So I start with taking the popcorn. So Dennis, Dennis. Job minor. Alexa. Email forward. Marine. Gold. TV. Pass. Samuel. Vivian Yambura. Masharia. George Moshan. Joseph Bicho. Victor Morani. So last week we had a house. Some about what? We had a casino. Some also new. Yes. And now we did completing the square. So what were we solving? When we were doing completing the square. Yes. Tulikuwa tunasoma nini kutumia completing the square? Kwa hiyo or what did we do last week? So we were solving quadratic equations. Na quadratic equation tulisema tunasolve kutumia completing square. Which other method? Quadratic formula, and then the first one here tulifanya ilikuwa gani? Zilikuwa tatu. Yes? Factorization. So we had those three formulas to solve quadratic equation. So today I want us to look at algebraic equations. We look at algebraic equations, and by the end of this class, so today we are going to look at algebraic equation, and by the end of this session we are supposed to have done definition what are algebraic equations and So the algebraic equation is still formed through application of algebraic equation. So a quick one. What is an algebraic equation? Algebraic expression. Yes. Algebraic. Tumesikia kwa nafasi kweli. Unajua nini algebraic equation? Sasa equation ni iko na nini? An equation with letters. Equation represented with letters. And we have different algebraic equations, like the one we looked at. See, we have those quadratic, we have simultaneous. So, an algebraic equation is an equation maybe in the form 2x is equals to 6. This is an algebraic equation. And there are different ways of solving algebraic equations. Just by simple division, minusing, multiplication, you can be able to solve what? Algebraic equation. An example, maybe you are given 2x plus maybe 2y plus 3x plus x is equals to maybe 4. And we are told to maybe simplify this algebraic equation. We just have to add the like terms together. Sio? Zenye zinafanana ni gani? Zenye ziko na unknown value which is the same. So you have 2x plus 3x plus x plus 2y is equals to 4. Simplifying this, you can be able to get what? A simplified algebraic equation. If it is something that comes up to have simultaneous or a quadratic equation, then we solve using the formulas that we said. Now, how do we solve this algebraic equation? Let me do an example of different algebraic equation. For example, if you have x plus 3 is equals to 7, so the value of x is so the value of x is value of x itakuwa nini? Value of x itakuwa nini? 4. Because you have to move this on the other side, so you have x is equal to 7 minus 3. So x is equal to 4. Just solving my rectangle. But we have laws of, yes, we have laws. We have laws that govern how you operate with algebraic equations. We have different laws. And I want us to be hizo laws. Tafuta hizo laws ni gani? Ni zinagawa how you operate algebraic equations. Sawa. So we arrange ourselves in groups. So you can move here. So it lists the laws of algebraic equation, or you can find the laws of algebraic expression. those three questions. Ensure you follow the law to apply to expression. 2. You can see A is bracket this. It means that the total is Sasa. It means that it's supposed to be A brackets Sasa. So it means that hapa 3 times A is B. Sasa. Now we can fractions. So you can try some number 1 and number 2. So let us summarize the class. Then you will do more. You will do more questions on your own. Make sure you organize the roles and make sure you arrange them the way they are supposed to be. Kuna swali hapo kwa hiyo the 7 notes. The 7 notes. Kuna swali? Yes. Kuna swali? Oh, you are correct. Nimeona wewe umeshafanya question 1, yes? Elaborate on. Elaborate on the laws. You can see the law number 1 here says that A plus into bracket B plus C is equals to the same as A plus B plus C. So unaweza ona kama uko na bracket hapa na what is connecting them is a plus sign is the same as adding all of them. Sawa. So kama uko na number iko in this format 2 plus 3 plus 4 na hii imewekwa bracket is the same as 2 plus 3 plus 4. Hii imewekwa bracket. You get the same answer. The bracket does not hide anything. Sawa. But for number 2, the law number 2, you can be able to see B plus C equal kwa bracket. What does it mean? B plus C, I multiply it with A. So my answer itakuwa AB. That means E into bracket, for example, if I have like the first equation, 3AB. Sawa. E ni kama A, B, C. E. Sawa. That means I have multiplied all of them with 3. So itakuwa 3 times A times B. Sawa. Number 3, A plus B, whichever starts, zote ni addition. Sawa. So itakuwa B plus A. Tumeelewana? Haya, number 4. When you are multiplying, whether nimeanza 2 times 3 ama nimeandika 3 times 2 is the same. Sawa. The last one, now kama whatever iko kwa bracket iko na plus, unaona hii ni tofauti na hii, si ndio? So whatever iko hapa kwa bracket iko na plus, it means that I open the bracket. That is A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. See the same kama hii nasema I multiply all of them. Unaona tofauti? Kama kuna sign between them, you open the bracket bracket. If you have fraction, wakati una operate fractions, maybe you have 2/3 plus 4/3. It's the same as saying is in LCM 3. Nikitoka LCM is in 3. So I'll take 3 into all over P3 divide 3 1, so itapata 2 P3 itakuwa 1 tupate 4. The same case here. If else LCM is the same. I can be able to separate the brackets because C is the LCM of the two numbers, that is A and B. Tumeona hivyo? Yaani naweza separate hii bado niseme ni 2/3 plus 4/. I haven't changed anything. Ni vile tu nimeseparate them. Haya, and the last one, how do you find the two brackets? It will be A multiplied by C, B multiplied by D. So for this one, so that you can be able to understand in a simpler way, the last one. If you have A plus B multiplied by C plus D, the easiest one is to break one of the brackets. So if I break one of the brackets, I multiply with the second bracket. So I have A into bracket C plus B plus B into bracket C plus D. So naona yenye nimebreak sijairudia. Kama nimebreak the first one to be AB, it means that hii ndio hizi numbers ziko hapa ndio na multiply with the second bracket. Sawa sawa. So that now I can be able to open. This one inafanana na the row number 5. So I can say AC plus AB plus BC plus DC is the same like tumeandika. So having separated them makes it easier for you to do what? To operate. Another question. So ukiwa na hii now you can be able to solve the three questions zenye nimepeana, si ndio? Ukiwa na hizo rows you can be able to solve the three questions. Yes? Find the sum. So you add all of them. Sum. Sum means adding, si ndio? Find the sum of all those numbers. So you add them. You just add them. Kuna mtu amefanya namba 2? Adding. Yeah. The way you just add them. The first number nimeweka comma plus the other one. Then the like comes together. So nitaandika maswali hapa, then we finish first, then we continue later. Sawa? So nitaandika maswali hapa, alafu ukiangukiwa na kalamu ya the one kama hizo. Sawa sawa? Ukiangukiwa na kalamu unakuja unaisoma. Kalamu si tutakuja kutumia hapa. Kufanya X. That group nileta mtu mmoja. Hiyo group nileta mtu mmoja afanye X. You can grab that side piece again. issue iko wapi? Enda urekebishe wapi amekosea. Nijibu amepata tofauti. So you are given 2x minus 1 is equal to 5x plus 11. So yeah, move the negative 1 on the other side inakuwa positive, si ndio? Na 5 akamove the other side inakuwa minus 5, si ndio? This side hii vile amemove si ni positive hiyo side, so akimove na huko itakuwa minus, so it will be 2x minus 5x, si ndio? Is equals to there is 2.5. So I want you to solve the following. The simultaneous equation using nasikia kelele ni ya nini? Yes? Issue ni nini? Yes? So we have two. Mimi nasikia kelele and I don't know who is making the noise. So you solve that, then we can be able to correct the assignment next week. Next week tutakuwa umepitia na ukaelewa kila kitu. So we meet next